Welcome back everyone. So welcome to another video. Today we are going to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's go our another machine. Okay, this is the machine we are using VMware Workstation. If you don't know VMware Workstation, uh, you are new here. So if you don't know VMware, you just have to know about that this tool can be helpful for using multiple operating system. If you want to use multiple operating system, you can use VMware Workstation. Okay, so that's it, and just open it. And second thing is that if you do not have downloaded iOS iOS file, you can download a iOS file. I have already make a video, so you can see the video in I button, and also I'll mention the link in this description, so you can download the file. Okay, so I have already downloaded. Let's create a new virtual machine. So I'm creating the new virtual machine. So in this tab you can see we use typical, okay, the recommended one. Okay, so let's go to recommended one and click next. And also you can create a new virtual machine. Okay, create a new virtual machine, or also you can press Ctrl N and you can click here. Okay, so I'll click here and I'll just go with custom with the typical. Okay, typical one, and click next. When you click next, you can see there are multiple options, so select this one. Okay, I will install operating system later. Okay, select this one. Okay, and click next. And now you can see we have some options. You can see the Microsoft Windows, and we can select our OS. So I'm going to install Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, so Windows 10 64-bit I have selected. Okay, and if you want to select Linux, you can select Linux. Okay, so I have selected Windows 10 64-bit and click next. And now this is the very important thing, that what do you want to make the machine name. Okay, what's the machine name? So I'll just leave with it, and Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, and you can see the location. Okay, so you can change your location where you want to store this image, where you want to uh, locate this Windows 10. Okay, so I'll change this quickly and click on this PC, and I have virtual. Okay, virtual. I'll create a new folder. It's called VMware. Okay, and inside the VMware I create another folder. It called inside the folder VMware I create another folder, and it called uh, Windows 10. Okay, so I have created Windows 10 folder. Okay, here, and I select OK, and I'll show you the folder here. I can show you the folder I have created just right now. Okay, you can see the VMware and you can see the Windows 10. Okay, I'll just delete this one. Okay, so all right, next we should click here. Okay, so click next, and here we can select our disk space. I'll just go with 60 GB default. Okay, so 60 GB is the default. You can change low and high if you want to. Okay, you can just direct click on it and you can change it. Okay, store virtual disk as a single file or store spread file. Okay, so I'll go with single file, store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, and click next. And now you can see there is some configuration that I have selected previously. So click on customize hardware. Okay, so why you click on customize hardware, let me show you. Okay, so click on customize hardware. Here you can see there are many things you have to see. Okay, first of all, memory. Okay, the default memory is 2 GB. I'll upgrade it to 8 GB. Okay, it will work smooth because I have 40 GB space in my desktop. Okay, in my machine, so I'll use the 8 GB. Okay, 8 GB here. Okay, and you can see the processor. I can change the processor number, number of processor 2, and number of core processor I can change that 2. Okay, so I have changed the number of processor, and if you want to change, you can change. If you don't want to change, don't change. Okay, so, and click the new network adapter. Okay, and here I use the this one, host connected bridge one. Okay, bridge connected directly to the physical network. Okay, so this is the bridge we are using to for our local network. Okay, so this kind of thing, replicate physical network connection state. Okay, I don't want to use that. Okay, so that's it for okay, and just close it. And now I have configured all the hardware, and I'll finish it. And there one more thing I have to choose. Okay. So now you can see here new CD DVD. Okay, click here and you can choose the ISO image, Windows 10 ISO image. So choose ISO image and click here, and I'll choose the ISO image where I have ISO image. Okay, this is the Windows 10 ISO image. Okay, I'll select the Windows 10 ISO image and close it. Okay, now I just have to finish it, and I finish. Now you can see the machine have prepared. I just have to turn on, and all step I'll follow the same. Okay, so just click on finish. Start. Actually, click on start. So that's it. Also, in a little big. Okay, so this is quite nice. And if you want to move around, you can just click Control Alt, and you can come outside. Okay, just like here, and also just like here. It's connected. Okay. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see our Windows is loading. Okay, so all steps are simple, just like you are installing another desktop. Okay, another desktop in Windows. Okay, so just click next. Default language and default. Okay, just click next. Install now. Okay, you can see here it asks for activation key. I don't have product key, so click on I don't have product key. Let me big it. Okay, I don't have product key. Okay, and you can select which version you want to install. Okay, so I'll select the Windows 10 Pro and click next. Okay, I accept the terms and condition. If you want to read all them, you can read it. You are free to read. Okay, so I'll click next. Okay, here you have to see something that you have to select the custom. Okay, don't upgrade. Okay, just custom. Okay, you can see the 60 GB disk space we have previously selected. Okay, you can see it here, and just create new. Okay, when you create new, it create drives. Okay, drives, and click OK. Now we can see we have created the drive partition and select the partition. Okay, I have selected this partition 59 GB and click next. And in the virtual machine, you don't have to think about the real hardware because it's all virtual. Okay, so that's it. All right, let's wait and see. Okay, so now you can see it asked me for region. Okay, so I'll just go with the United States and click next. Yes. Okay, so and why it looks so blurry, you can see I already zoomed this one. Okay, so we can adjust the resolution after installing the Windows. Okay, so click India and I'll zoom it for better view. Okay, so I'll select the English India. Okay, and yes, skip this one and Okay, setup with personal. Okay, do not go with organization. Setup for personal use. Okay, click next. Okay, it asks me for email ID, but I am going with offline account. Okay, click on offline account. Okay, limited experience. Click on limited experience. Okay, it asks me for my username. Okay, I'll give the username, and let's suppose I put my username. It's Windows. Okay, uh, it's more simpler actually. So uh, Win. One. Yeah, let's suppose Windows 10. Okay, we use the Windows username. Okay, and click next. It asks me for password. Okay, confirm password. Okay, 3 questions. Let's see. Pass and pass. Pass. Okay. Accept or not now. Always have the not now. Okay, you can just accept and move forward. Skip. Not now. Okay, so it's successfully done. Okay, so now you can see it's installed successfully. Let me close this browser, and you can see here. Okay, and you can see all the things here. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video, and also I'll show you something else. If you are new here, you can adjust the ratio. You can use the power option to turn off, turn on, and suspend the machine. Okay, so you can do many things from here, and that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.